Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add GoDaddy email to iPhone. First step is to open your settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this mail option, click on it. Now here you can see account option here, click on account. Now click on add account. Now choose this other option here. Click on add mail account. Now type in your GoDaddy account username. Now here you can add a description to add your account. Now after you click on next, you can see this IMAP and POP option here. Click on IMAP and fill the required information here. Now after that you can see next option here, click on next, and these are the simple steps that you can follow if you want to add your GoDaddy email username on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.